Hey guys, back with another one today. We have the AirPod Pro Max from DHgate. I was too excited to unbox it properly, so I just did it in the car. It comes sealed in this plastic, and when opening it you get all the normal things like the headphones, a protective cover and the case, and the Apple instructions and the USB-C to Lightning charger. I got home and did unboxing properly and connected it, but this is how it looks and how it connects. On holding it in my hand, I can say that it does feel heavy, and the headband has some resistance when trying to extend the headband, like the real thing. The mesh feels great, but the thing with it being white is that it's going to get dirty, so I'll need to try and replace the cups with a black one or a different case in general. In terms of how it pairs up like the real thing. It comes with ANC anti-transparency mode and spatial audio that doesn't really work well, but it's just there.
Just what this moment's all about. All we guarantee is a little change. Oh, I don't want my heart to feel this way again. And I just need a little more time.
Now it's onto the sound test. Originally it did sound weird, so I unpaired it and paired it back, and I think that kind of fixed it. But what I'm telling you is that it sounds great. Way better than the AirPod 3s and Pros. Maybe because it's just like over-the-ear headphones, but the sound quality on these is amazing. It's beautiful. Now, in terms of everyday wear, I would say that the weight is a big factor over having it on for hours, but they still feel great. The sound is rich in general, and one thing I would say, if you are gonna get this, ask the supplier if he has them in a different color. I wouldn't say that the white is bad, but it would get dirty pretty quick. In conclusion, all I can say is that get these. The AirPod Pro Max from DHgate are one of the best reps you could get for AirPod Maxes out there, with the link down below. I would say get the one that's a little bit more expensive because you might get more, but the one for $120 was pretty much enough for me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more. And on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
It's all about.